So what I've done is I have made a few different parts. I've made the fuselage, the fin, the right tail, the right horizontal stabilizer, and the right wing, and a prop, and they are each part of the assembly. And I have mirrored these two parts, the horizontal stabilizer and the wing, together. So when I act on one, they should both behave in the same way. Each part's detachable, so that you can see they are mated in the little circles there. And luckily, if I put it all together, if it should work, that when I get my fuselage and change the dimensions, so say if I made my fuselage a lot wider, the holes should move with it, so that it knows to keep them central, so the prop and the fin are still central. And hopefully, if we save that and go back to the plane, the parts have moved with their mates, so everything's still connected properly, and we've got a nice chubby little plane now instead.